Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to activate bold text on Google Pixel 7a. So simply swipe up the screen, then go to menu, then open settings application. You can see, okay. Then select display and touch. Then select display size and text. Okay. Select display size and text. Bottom of the page, you can see. Open that, then you can see option of bold text. Click on that button to turn on the bold bold text. So that's guys, in this way you can simply turn on bold text on your Google Pixel 7a. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.